Okay, folks, right, let's get straight into it. So today we didn't really trade off our report in the live room. We trade a little bit different, so we'll just skip the report and go straight on to the action. So just before the market opened, we were talking about 61.99 as a real key level today in terms of directional view. Below it, we deemed that the closing gap today could fill, and certainly we were looking for a move down to 61.75. So closing gap down here and 61.75 here. So that's basically what we were looking at. Market opens here. You'll see that the market opens, it spikes above 61.99. Then the bar closes, the 5-minute bar closes below 61.99. It actually closed at 61.97. So a little bit bearish there, and we could have just taken a 5-minute bar breakdown, but look, the low of the bar is 61.87. Our high probability target was 61.75, and our stop would need to be all the way up here. So it doesn't make sense from a risk-reward point of view. So we didn't get a trade initially in the live room, but we did leave a few trades. Now, one of them did actually trigger. Just before we left the live room, we said, let me get rid of this, 61.75, because it's it was no longer relevant at that point in time because we'd already hit it. But this target here, the closing gap 61.45, I deemed it as likely to hit whilst we remained negative below this level here at 61.99. So what we said in the live room was look for reasons to sell between 61.90 and 6,200. Okay, so that was basically the play today, and we basically came up into this region. We were bobbing around in it. There were various sell signals here. I mean, actually a nice pin bar reversal here, but there were, if I went to the 1 minute, you'll see some reversal signals in there as well. So certainly we got into the sell zone here, and the stop was above here, so above the morning high. And look, depending on where you sold from, you could have had a stop of 12 points or around 20 points. And then really, the target was going down towards this level. Now, you could have got 1-to-1 on this trade. Even if you sold at 61.90, you know, it got pretty low, actually. It got all the way down to 61.58. So, I mean, personally, I took half profits on this trade, and I paid for a stop at 62.04, and I was hoping to see this target down here at 61.45. Didn't hit. Instead, it got as low as 61.58, and then it's rallied and it's bobbing around. So that's really how we traded today. There was definitely some nice profit to be made in this trade setup. Let me know how you got on. Email me mark@magnetictrading.com. Let me know how you got on with this trade. If you traded it differently, maybe you got 1-to-1 out of the trade, but would be interested to see how you dealt with this sell zone today. Okay, we'll be back tomorrow, being the 29th of May for the last trading day of May.